Cute session.
And baby's mama.
The story of She's a Wolf. Hey.
Sweet secret.
Why are you asking?
I don't know.
Well, I guess it's time to go home.
Okay. Why are you in that hat?
I don't know, I like it. Bye. Mom, I'm home. Did anybody suspect anything? Dracula kept asking questions about it, but I just said don't worry about it. Good. No one can know. Got it. Now you will go to bed before next month. What do you mean? You can't come out. You can't get hairy, and you cannot, absolutely cannot wake up. But being a wolf is different. You have to do that. You don't even remember it. Do it, Claudine. Fine. Now go to bed. Good night. Do as Mom said. Don't wake up. 3 hours later. So much for respecting Mom's rules. Mom! Oh! Claudine! Ah! What a nightmare. Morning, Claudine. Last night was horrible. You are grounded. Here's your hat. Mom, you know I can't help it. Don't talk back to your mother. You're still grounded. Now get up and go to school. You know I hate this hat. Why can't I just take it off for today? You can only take it off once, and that's when you're home. Go to school or you'll be late. I don't want anybody to know about this. You know the chaos that could happen. Bye, Mom. Keep it hidden. At school.
Are you okay, Claudine?
I'm fine.
What are you covering?
Nothing.
I have a quiz.
How do you know that?
I can tell. Ugh. You haven't touched your food.
I know.
Are you gonna eat?
I'm not hungry.
Eat it then?
Fine.
Say yes.
Uh-huh. Later. After school.
Hang out.
I would love to, but my mom is, well, not happy with me hanging out with other people.
You always say that.
I'm sorry. Why can't I have a normal life with normal people and not a werewolf? And how could I control it? You know what? I don't want to go home to my mom. Wait. I could go to Dracula's house. Dracula, wait. I guess I can hang out.
What about your mom?
Oh, she said it was fine, but only for maybe this week. Okay. At Dracula's house.
I don't know that hat. Well, are ya?
No.
Then take it off.
Do I have a choice?
Oh.
Fine. I have a secret.
I knew you had a secret.
Okay. I am a werewolf. You a werewolf?
Get off. Oh.
Yeah, I have wolf ears.
Those teeth are
I told you I'm a werewolf. Come on. Get over it. Not every day you hear it, I know that. Can you keep it a secret?
Okay.
Don't tell anyone.
Right. To die.
Yeah, cross my heart, hope to die. That's what it is.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I have to go before my mom finds out.
What? I thought you could hang out.
Sorry, I gotta go.
Can you watch the video?
To be continued.